Yo, what's up? It's your boys, B Major, the modern day hope dealer, and I'm here with some phenomenal ladies from Lancaster. We had a great talk just now. All who want to be super successful in their life, and they're going to stick to the formula. Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Remain humble.
Remain humble.
And keep working.
Keep working.
Keep working.
Keep working.
Keep working.
Keep working.
Let's go, ladies. Let's go. Yeah, let's work, baby. Teamwork. Ooh, I like it right here. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. That's the money. That's the money. Let's go. Get back there. Get back there. You ain't done. Get off. You ain't off the hook. Come back here. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, keep going, baby. You got this thing. You got that thing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Good job. Good job. Good job. Straight back. Straight back. Yep.
Nia, small.
Yeah. Yeah. See the hip with the keep working. The hood say stay focused. Yeah.